Hey everyone, this video is going to show you how to find your program of study on Pellissippi site. So open up a tab, go to Pellissippi website, main page, and you will see that these tabs are at the top. You want to go to Academics, down arrow, and go to the College Catalog. Once you've gotten there, you should see the most recent updated version of the College Catalog, but you're going to head over to the right where it says Catalog Search. Scroll down till you see Programs of Study. That's Programs of Study. You're going to click there. Once you are at Programs of Study, you will see the career programs to get your AAS. That is if you're going to stay and graduate from Pellissippi and then go into the workforce. Now if you continue to scroll, you will see a category called Certificates, but then Transfer University Parallel Programs if you're going to transfer after your time at Pellissippi into a 4-year program like University of Tennessee. And then there's where you would click there. So if you're going to do that, you want to check these programs of study. However, if you're going to get your AAS here at Pellissippi and go into the workforce, you will go into the career programs. So let's just take accounting. And by the way, these programs are in alphabetical order. So if you're going to accounting, it's right here first. If you're going into mechanical engineering, it's down here. So just for this purposes, we're going to do the career programs. There's accounting. And here is the information. It's very interesting. You can kind of look over some of this analytical data, but keep scrolling down, and this is what you want. This is what you're going to be copying and pasting for your program of study, your course requirements to get your degree, is the courses in course sequence each semester. So I'm literally going to take my cursor and I'm going to scroll to all of this, and I'm going to hit copy, and then I'm going to go into my document and paste it. Okay, so here you are. But since we're here, let me show you how this can be even more useful to you. So let's say you're going to take, next semester, you say, well, I'm going to take Accounting 1020, Principles of Accounting 2. It's worth 3 credits. By the way, you need to know how many hours credit these are worth, and most courses are 3. However, there are some that are worth 1. Or different, right? If you've got labs, or like this first year seminar is worth 1 credit, and you guys do not need to take that because you're in my class, which is College 1500, and you're getting 3 hours credit for that. So notice that the 2 you're taking is not on here, but it is currently what you're taking in your first semester. But if you click on any of these, it opens up more information about it. Like if there's a prerequisite, like you can't take 1020 until you've taken Accounting 1010, right? And it gives you a little bit of information about the class. Not a lot, but there's something there. So you're going to just copy and paste this into your Word document once you have found your programs of study. And that is that. That is all. I'm just going to go back just to show you that if you are transferring, let's use accounting again. So I would just copy and paste this. It might be slightly different classes that are required. So I'm going to put all this information, copy all this into my document. And then again, I have to go to like University of Tennessee, find their accounting program of study, and include a link to their website. And that is how you find your program of study for your degree requirements here at Pellissippi's site. I hope that's helpful.